Okay, hello students, how are you today? In this video I'm going to read this text that is related to all the worksheet. After that I'm going to explain you why this text is related to the worksheet, okay? Okay, let's start. I have a dream that one day this nation will be announcing its fate. All men are created equal. I have a dream that one day on the red hills of Georgia, the sons of former slaves and the sons of former slave owners will be sitting down together at the table of brotherhood. I have a dream that one day even the state of Mississippi, a state sweltering with the heat of injustice and oppression, will be a place of freedom and justice. I have a dream that my four little children will be living one day in a nation where nobody will judge them by the color of their skin, but by the content of their character. I have a dream today. This is our hope and this is our fate. With this fate, one day we will create a stone of hope from the mountain of despair. With this fate, we will transform the jangling disagreement of our nation into a beautiful symphony of brotherhood. With this fate, we will be working together, struggling together, standing up for freedom together. We know that we will be free one day. Okay, what is the relation of this text with the worksheet? Okay, in this worksheet, you will have to develop your ideal future, okay, using the future continuous. Okay, you can observe here in the objective the students will be able to write and read about the ideal future would be like from their perspective, from your perspective, using the future continuous structure through reading, writing and speaking exercise. Okay, the first activity is not related to this text. The first activity is about to learn about the structure of future continuous with this video and answering those two questions. Okay, 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 let's explain. Okay, in this video you will have to the underlined sentences. Look at this. You will have to develop 5 sentences with the verbs that you find in the underlined sentences. For example, living, and so you will develop a sentence with the living verb using the obviously the structure of the future continuous. Okay, give me a moment. Okay, okay, the practice activity. Okay, you will have 3 questions about the last text that I am reading to you, and based on this video, yes, this is the most important part. Based on this video, you will have to develop your own ideal future, taking into account this video and the text. Okay, you will have to develop a text about your ideal future of at least 150 words. Okay. Okay, you will have to develop here, and the assessment. Okay, the assessment you will have to send me. No, excuse me, not send me. You will have to show me the next class your video with you reading your ideal future plan or your ideal future text, showing your face like I am doing now. For example, you can observe my face and the screen. Yes, you can use this tool, the Screenomatic, that is the one that I am using now. And yes, you will have to you develop your text and you read your text, and based on that I will grade this worksheet. Okay, you will this is the assessment. You will show me the next class, your text of your ideal future, and the video of you reading your ideal future, and I will grade your pronunciation and the structure of the future continuous sentences within your text of your ideal future. Okay, okay, and that's all. Thanks for watching this video, and bye bye.